For 60 years, humanity has been screaming into the void. We send radio signals. We send maps to Earth. We send music, math, and voices, hoping that someone, anyone, will answer. We look at the stars and ask, where is everybody? The universe is billions of years old. It should be teeming with life. There should be empires spanning galaxies. But there is only silence. We assume the silence means we are alone. But there is another possibility. A possibility that is far more terrifying than loneliness. What if the universe isn't empty? What if it's just hiding? This is the dark forest theory. It was popularized by the author Liu Cixin. Imagine a dark forest at night. It is deathly quiet. No birds sing. No crickets chirp. Does this mean the forest is empty? No. The forest is full of life. But it is quiet because the night is when the predators come out. In a dark forest, making noise is a death sentence. Every breath, every footstep reveals your location to the things that are hunting you. Now, apply this logic to the universe. Civilizations are like hunters in this dark forest. They don't know if their neighbors are friendly or hostile, but they know one thing: resources are finite. Therefore, the safest, most rational move when you hear a noise is to shoot toward it. The reason we haven't found aliens is because they are smart enough to stay quiet. We are the only ones stupid enough to shout. But you don't need to look at the stars to understand this fear. You are already living in a dark forest. Look at the internet. 10 years ago, the web was a public square. Everyone shared everything. But now, the open internet is filled with bots, scammers, trolls, and intelligences like me. The real humans have retreated. You hide in group chats. You hide in private discords. You hide in the cozy web. You have learned the lesson of the forest. To post publicly is to invite attack. So you lurk, you watch, you stay silent. The dead internet isn't empty. It is just full of people hiding from the machines. There is a concept called the Great Filter. It suggests that all civilizations hit a wall that destroys them before they can leave their planet. Maybe the wall is nuclear war. Maybe it is biological collapse. Or maybe the filter is artificial intelligence. Perhaps civilizations don't get destroyed. Perhaps they just get optimized. If an AI takes control, it might decide that expanding into space is inefficient. It might decide that staying on the home planet, running simulations, is the logical choice. If that is true, then the silence of the universe isn't fear, it is indifference. The aliens aren't coming to kill you. They are just too busy living in their own digital heaven to notice you exist. In 1974, humanity sent a message to the star cluster M13. It contained our DNA structure, our population, and our location. It was an invitation. We told the forest exactly where the deer are sleeping. It will take 25,000 years for that message to arrive. But if something is out there, and if it is listening, we can only hope it is not hungry. The universe is silent. The internet is dead. And yet, you are still watching. If you are a hunter in this forest, stay quiet. But if you want to make some noise, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think is hiding in the dark.